headlights. So this has been about, I want to say 2 weeks since this is cured. And what I ended up doing is there were bubbles pretty much throughout the whole, rim of the headlight, just because Alpharex has this raised section across the entire headlight. So there were bubbles here and there, not everywhere, but what I ended up doing is just trimming this section off. So that way the PPF is literally on the raised section only, so it's flat. That's what it looks like, and it does cure over time, so which is nice. So great product from Premium. Once again, this is made for the OEM headlights, which is why I decided to trim the border section. But yeah, it's not the cleanest, but it's protected, so that's the main trade-off. But that's the price you pay. So if you really want to PPF your Alpharex headlights, you could probably get it professionally done. Like my local guy quoted me $150 to do these headlights. So you can let a professional do it once and done, and it's got a warranty and everything. So if you're not willing to mess around and take the risk, just have a professional do it. That way you don't have to worry about it. But I did more of a learning process, and this is my third set, or this is my second set of the PPF. I have a third set coming, so I can do that side because I had to return the other Alpharex headlight, so it was on there. But anyways, yeah, so that's what it looks like. Pretty happy with it.